rectangle command gives us 3 different options on how to draw rectangles. You can see this, there's a 2-point, a 3-point, and a center rectangle. The 2-point lets you pick a corner and then the opposite corner. So this is a kind of the first general kind of rectangle that you draw, the basic one. You can do it there or start from the corner there. Another thing I'll do is I'll start it out here, so I'll just put it there. And if I want to have a symmetric part that's maybe symmetrical in 2 ways, I'll use the midpoint command with one edge, the origin, snap it there. And now I can tell it how big to be. And you can see it's going to behave. It's going to say symmetric in 2 directions, or in kind of the 2 sides of it along one axis. But if I want it to be symmetric 2 different ways, instead of doing a 2-point rectangle, I would do the center rectangle. So now I can start with the center point there and come out. And you can see now it's going to behave symmetrically both directions. And then also R is the shortcut for a rectangle. And there's the 3-point rectangle, which now I can pick a point. Now I'm not stuck on horizontal and vertical. I can pick a different angle and then draw my rectangle out from there. So now I can have a rotated rectangle somewhere that I can control kind of the angle of it as well as the 2 dimensions for its size. So that is the rectangle command.